Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the charging optimization to optimize battery charging or 80% limit or none. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on battery. Next, in here, tap on battery health and charging. Then we go down and tap on charging optimization. Now in here, you can choose between optimize battery charging, 80% limit or none. Now when 80% limit has been set, then your iPhone will only charge to about 80%. So if you are finding that your phone is unable to charge past 80%, perhaps you need to go in here and choose optimize battery charging or none. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.